Hello everybody, I am Christian or Educate. Welcome to my channel Legal Knowledge KD. Our today's topic is natural justice. Justice is of the two kinds. First, natural justice, and second, legal justice. The concept of natural justice was used by Roman jurists to denote a system of rules and principles for the guidance of human conduct. Natural justice means enforcement of rights and punishment of wrongs according to moral law or natural law. Natural law comes from the nature of a man. A writer, Thomas Aquinas, says the natural law is derived from the law of God. So, we can say the natural law is made by God, and the common law, is made by a man or a body of men. And other jurists, D. Simth, according to him, the natural law principles describe that what is right, what is wrong. So we can say natural law is a sense of right and wrong. Natural law developed with the growth of civilization or with the growth of administrative law. The natural justice is a part of administrative law. As the growth of principles of natural justice, according to English law, there were two principles of natural justice. But with the growth of constitutional and administrative law, a third principle known as speaking order has evolved. In the next lecture, I will discuss the principles of natural justice in detail. So now I am going to finish my speech. Thank you so much.